Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Skoda Fabia. First of all, we go to settings, make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Now we go over to phone, click on phone. Please find Skoda BT2332. It's already shown up here, and there's Find Mobile on the screen. I'm going to press this, so click on Skoda. You'll see there it's thinking about it. We'll see what happens over here. There you go. Does this passkey match 964246? Yes, it does. So click pair and click yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. It's paired on the audio system, and then if we just try and find it up here, have I gone past it? I must have done. Skoda BT, there it is connected. That's how you connect the mobile. It's better to do it from the phone, wait for it to show up on the phone, than it is from the audio system. If you do it from the audio system, sometimes it asks you for the passkey, and the passkey doesn't show up on the phone. So do it from the phone first.